Hello friends, welcome back to RC with Popeye. Today I'm going to do detailed unboxing and review of JJRC Q64, which I have ordered from Banggood. As always, I have mentioned the purchase links down below in the description. This package mentions this as Transporter 5, 2.4 GHz 6-wheel drive RC off-road military truck. Some of the features mentioned are load capacity of 500 grams, open differentials, 6-wheel drive axles, and shock absorbers, which are basically leaf springs. Now this truck's color is awesome. It's very nice and it's basically army yellow color. Here's the remote. This box must be having batteries and a USB cable maybe. Oh yes, it's the same. So they have given this 6 volts battery of 700 mAh, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a USB cable for charging the battery. The build quality of this JJRC is awesome, and this seems to be better than WPL trucks. The details are also good. The tires are more on the harder side, exactly like the WPL RTR version, and I would definitely recommend you to upgrade with softer tires. Here's the toolbox. Here's the concealed battery compartment. Let me open this. It's super tight actually. Basically, you'll have to press this in the middle and pull the same. This is the compartment where you can put the battery. These grills, which you can see, is the light protection, and it gives very tough look. Another thing which I noticed are these mud flaps, which are made of rubbery material, and that makes it flexible and even more scale. The stock motor is 130 motor, and you have to upgrade this either with 180 motor or a much bigger 370 motor for better performance. 130 motor will severely underpower this cool truck. The differentials are open, and thus you will need to lock the differentials if you want to do some serious off-roading stuff and enjoy playing the same. As you can see, this has cool blue lights unlike yellow lights in the new WPL models. You must be waiting to know whether the steering and acceleration is proportional or not. Let me wind this with transmitter and test the same. So as you can see, the speed is non-proportional, absolutely non-proportional. You will have to change the electronics for a smoother ride. The steering is also non-proportional. It is either 1 or 0, but you have always the option to include a cheap servo for hobby grade performance. If you wish to upgrade, I'll drop the links for upgrades in the description. That's it for the unboxing. Let's test this beauty in the stock form on ground, and don't you forget to subscribe and like this video right now.